Hey, Spencer.
Yeah.
What's wrong with this 140?
Bad solenoid, and then another bad solenoid, and then another bad solenoid, and then a rebuilt solenoid that went bad again, and then a new one.
So where do we get this one from? And is it going to work?
We got this from the John Deere place, and John Deere's good stuff.
And tell the people why we had to go to the John Deere dealership to get a part for an international tractor.
Here is the original one. It would still click, but the connection internal wasn't good. So we went to the Napa store, bought a new one, put it on, didn't work. We even had Pa come test it. It didn't work. So we went and got another one from the Napa store. It didn't work. So then we finally concluded maybe it was a bad production run from the Napa store. So Pa rebuilt the old one. He took it apart, turned the piece that makes the connection inside, cleaned it up good, and it was working good. Okay, and then on last night we were like, okay, we're coming up here to the farm. We're gonna take it home. It runs. We cranked, drove itself on the trailer, and then when we got here today, it went crank. Same, just like it used to act. So we had the John Deere man out here servicing our bush hogs, and he had one, an older one just like this, in his truck that was still good, and it worked. It cranked the tractor. So
all right. Tell everybody what kind of tractor you're working on.
I'm working on an international
140.
140.
And what kind of tractor did that solenoid the John Deere man have?
A John Deere 140.
It was a John Deere 140, which is a lawnmower.
Yeah, it's totally two different things.
Right,
but as long as it's 12 volt and it has the right connections, it should work.
What he did was he came over here just to help us out, took that solenoid and put on the tractor, and it fired right up. So then he called the dealership parts department, which is not too far away from our farm, and they had one in stock. So we went and purchased that one, and that's what you're installing right now, correct?
Yep. I'm on the last wire right now.
So we're almost at the moment of truth. Holy crap. All right. I know what you just did. Do you know what you just did?
I jumped the two posts. Well. Oops. Maybe this style is better. Maybe there's a reason they've done it this way.
All right, don't do that again.
Yeah. Tight enough.
Is it tight?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm. So I'm going to put all the tools away, and I will catch back up with y'all when I'm ready to start it. Action.
All right.
Let me try to crank it.
We're going to let you.
Elliot is going to crank the tractor for the first time since we put in this new solenoid from John Deere.
I almost cranked it on accident.
You did. You shocked me a little bit.
Okay.
All right, crank it up.
Are we out of gear?
Yeah.
Hey, hey!
I'm pulling down the strongest. I'm pulling down the strongest.
Yay, Elliot, you did a good job. High five. High five. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Right on.
That was a strong crank. That throttle was all the way up, wasn't it?
Yeah.
All right, look at her, purring like a kitten now. All right. Let's go put her to work. You ready to put her to work?
I don't want to take this apart.
You want to take that apart?
Yeah, so we can
Maybe another time, yeah. All righty.
All right.
Thanks for watching.
Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next time on Rootin' Tractor.
All right, what are you doing now?
I'm going to pull up this big stump.
That.
It'll do it.
It's about rotten. And you're going to do it with the 140.
Yeah, that's why I'll do it, because it's about rotten.
Let's see what happens.
It might break in half, but
Might break in half.
the tractor's going to keep on going no matter what. I know that.
I knew it was rotten, but I still didn't think it would pull it. All right.
What is wrong here?
Things you shouldn't do with a 140 tractor, but you do anyway. I suppose you want to take the chain off so you can back up on it with the blade.
Told you pull it.
You did. I'm surprised.
I'm not, because I pushed on it. How soft it is.
It was pretty soft. All right. There you have it.
Got it.
1975 Farmall 140. Pulling the stump and pushing up the stump. Having a little fun.